Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to use the Mendeley. Mendeley is another reference citation manager, and it's different from the EndNote and Zotero. So we will learn how to download and install Mendeley, how to create the login account for the Mendeley. Unlike Zotero and EndNote, the Mendeley requires the login account so that it can save your all reference online. You don't need to save those references inside the computer. And how to install the Mendeley web browser. This is extension which you can install inside the Chrome, and you can download the citation just by one click. And the last thing is we will learn how to install the Mendeley site for the MS Word, which is plugin for the MS to use the citation inside the MS Word. So let's first download the Mendeley. Go to the Google and write Mendeley reference manager download. It will take us to the Mendeley homepage. So we will click download Mendeley. So here we can download the Mendeley reference manager, and there is an option to download for the Windows. So I will choose this option. It also gives the option for the Mac and Linux, but I will use the Windows. Just click. So the downloading has been started. So here you can see the Mendeley reference manager is downloaded, and I will install this by double click. So I will choose anyone who uses this computer can use. So you need to choose the folder where you want to install. Click install. And then click finish. So once you install the Mendeley software, it will open like this. It will ask us to create an account on the Elsewhere website and then log in. So I have already created an account. If you don't have account, you can create using Gmail address. I will just log in. And then sign in. So once you click on the install Mendeley web importer, it will take us to this website. So this is for the, so this link is open in the Firefox. So it's going to give me the extension for the Firefox, as you can see here. But I want for the Chrome browser, so I will maybe copy this link and open in the Chrome. So as I have copied the link and inserted into the Chrome, now it's giving me the web importer for the Chrome. So you have to choose the browser where you want to. You have to choose the browser which you often use to download the citations. So I am going to use for the Chrome. So then click this one. And it asks me to add the extension or web importer to the Chrome. Just click add. It will take some time. So here you can see it has been added. Just click three dots and go to extensions, manage extension. Here you can see the Mendeley is already added and it's active. You can remove anytime. Okay. So I may pin this. How to pin this? Details. And pin to the toolbar. Okay. So now you can see the Mendeley is here. If you cannot see the Mendeley, you can simply go to the three dots, extension, manage extension, click on details, and then pin to the toolbar. So our Mendeley is, our Mendeley web importer is already installed. Okay, now we will head towards installation of Mendeley site for the Microsoft Word. So simply open the Mendeley and then go to the tool and click on install Mendeley site for the Microsoft. Once you click on this, you will go to this website. So this is from the Microsoft, and you will be able to freely download this Mendeley site for the Word, and by clicking here. And once you have downloaded, then you need to open the Microsoft Word, and in the Word click on the home, and then click on the right hand side add-ins. In add-ins you simply need to click the Mendeley site. So now the Mendeley site is in your Word file. So here you can see the Mendeley site. So again, one thing we need to confirm whether we need to create account, login account here or not. So let's check on the right hand side. So simply go to again login, the email address, click, so now we are already in, so we can get started. So we can see the Mendeley option in the reference folder, reference option, and then Mendeley site is here. So once you are logged in, then you can see different options on left hand side. First is all reference, recently added reference, recently read reference, favorites, my publications, and duplicates, and also a pin or trash. So under this there is option collections. So this is the place where we can create our folders, groups, or collections. So just click on the create collection. I can write paper related to the carbon based materials. Okay, so I have created a collection or group. I can drag all my reference into this group, but I can also create a sub collection. So just click here and then new sub collection. So I can write first carbon based material, graphite based materials. Click here again, and sub collection maybe CNTs. You can write any name. Again click here and click this, and maybe graphene. So I have created many sub collections in my collection. So we can create another collection like here, maybe papers. Okay, and you can also similarly create the sub collection, or you can call it subfolder. Again click here, sub collection. So this is the way how you can create the collections or groups or subgroups or subsets. So you can rename them, you can delete this collection, and even you can create a further new sub collections or further groups. So this is the way how we can create the groups or collections. So here we can create another group, and this group you can share with some other peoples. All the, like we can say collab papers. Okay, so in collab paper we can like click on manage group. Okay, in manage group you can invite the people. You can invite up to 25 people. Anyone who is invited, he can see all the papers in your folder, which is here in the group sections. So you can create further subgroups, etc. We are going to learn how to add the reference using different methods. So first we will try the PDF. So if you have PDF file, so first open the Mendeley. If you have PDF file, for example, I can show you here. I can download the PDF file for this paper. Okay, it's downloaded. So let's open the file. Just click here and go to the add reference. So I will choose the import file. So import file, and then I choose the folder, PDF, and open. It will take some time, and the PDF is uploaded. So where it is, here you can see the PDF is uploaded. So this is the first way how we can add the reference using PDF file. we can move this reference to the introduction. Okay, this collection. Now the reference is also in introduction. Okay, and the second method is we can add the reference using RIS file. So how to do that? Open the any paper. For example, I am going to open this paper. Okay, so click on the site and export citation to RIS. So you have downloaded a file. So now we will add this RIS file. So I will keep in introduction, click introduction, add reference, import file, and choose all. And here you can see this RIS file, and open this. So again, you can see in all reference there is another article which is already imported. So in introduction it's not moved, so it's in all folder section. So I can again move this to the introduction. So now introduction have two articles. One is imported using PDF, and another is using a RIS file. Let's keep in the all reference section. And now third method is using a identifier, DOI number or ISBN number. So how we can do that? Just open a article. Okay, I will open another article. Okay, and then there are every article have some unique number. So we can say go to the add reference and click add reference manually, and here you can see different identifiers. So DOI is very common number which is used assigned to every article. So here you can see DOI number. Just copy this DOI number up to this, copy, go to the Mendeley, click here and search. So here you can see all informations are filled. So Wunan, so let's see, yeah, it's Wunan. So this reference is already added using the identifier. Then add entry, click this, and here you can see the reference is added using the identifier. So the third method is write reference manually. So you can also do that if you have any article which is not published. So you cannot find that article online, so you have to add manually. So again, go to the add reference manually, and instead of DOI number you need to fill all the information like carbon materials for batteries, etc. And you can write author, etc. And here is the instruction how you can write the authors, and journal name maybe carbon, year maybe 2026. So you can fill all the informations. Here you can see the reference is added manually. So the last method is how to import the reference using web importer. So simply go to the browser, make sure you have installed the Mendeley web importer. If you don't know how to install, you can check my previous video, and open article and click on the Mendeley. Make sure you are logged in. As I can see, my account is logged in. So choose the article you want to import the reference, and then simply click add. So it will take some time. Perspectives, environmental and resources sustainability. So then open the Mendeley library, but in the Mendeley library you can see the article is not appearing. So simply there is option like synchronize. Click this option, then you will be able to see all the important reference. Here you can see the reference is added. So first you have to make sure you have installed the Mendeley software. Once you have installed and created an account and login account, as you can see I am already logged in, and after that you need to download the reference. So open your MS Word file, and in the MS Word file click reference, click here Mendeley site, and then click get started. You need to log in using the Mendeley account which you created for the Mendeley reference manager. Click here. So it will take us to sign in. I will sign in. So once you are signed in, it will show some reference like this, which I have already downloaded in my library. So these references are shown here. So today we need to change the style, how we can do that. Instead of Mendeley, we need to choose the Word file. So on right hand side, you can click the citation setting, and from citation setting you can change the citation style. Okay, so I have already chosen the carbon. You can change the nature and click update citation style. Now the style is with the nature. So if you want to choose another style which is not listed here in this list, then you can click on search for another style, or you can also add another style by downloading from or creating by yourself. So I will choose search for another style. I will choose maybe carbon resources conversion. So then I will click update citation style. Now the citation style is updated. If you click this, now you can check the carbon resources conversion style is chosen, and the preview is like this. And again, you can change any style, and if it's not listed here, then you can search other style by inserting the journal name. So this is the way how we can choose the output style in the Mendeley, but using the Word file, not the Mendeley library. How to insert the reference or how to insert citation into the MS Word file using Mendeley, and how we can change this output style. Just open your Mendeley, make sure you are logged in by creating an account, and download the references. So once you have downloaded the reference, then you can open your MS Word file and make sure you have already installed the Mendeley add-ins into the Word file. So just click on the references and click on Mendeley site, and here you can see it will look like this. The library is shown. All the references which I have downloaded into the Mendeley are shown here. If these are not shown, then it means you are not signed in. You need to sign in using the same email account which you have used for Mendeley, and you can click here more options, and here there is option sign out. So I am already logged in, so I don't need to log in again. So that's why my references are shown here. So the inserting reference is very simple. Just first you need to make sure you choose the correct style. There are many styles. You can search another style. I will choose nature. Okay, so I have chosen the nature. Here you can see. So I will click this citation and click here where I want to insert, and then insert citation. So my citation is already here, but you can see the bibliography is not updated. So what you can do is go to the citation setting and click this option and insert bibliography, and then switch to manual updates or keep updating by itself and continue. So now the bibliography is already added. How we can change the style, because this belongs to nature. So simply click citation setting, change citation style, click carbon. I am choosing carbon just to change, and click on update citation style, and now the style is automatically updated. If you don't know it's updated or not, you can click here and live updates. You can see it's updating by itself instead of manually. So this is the way how we can insert the citations into the Word files using Mendeley. I hope it helps you. Thank you.